katoma, welcome to my YouTube channel, Laklakan Vlog. So today we're going to do a Flair Tutorial Volume 3. So ano ba yung gagawin natin sa Flair Tutorial natin today? I'm going to teach you 10 way or 10 moves on how to shoot the bottle from the shaker. Yan. So bottle from the shaker or bottle from the tin cans. Paano ba ito sinushoot? 10 paraan or 10 way. But then, bago natin simulan yung ating Volume 3, i-review muna natin yung ating Volume 1, which is yung single flip. Okay, yung Volume 1 natin, Flair Tutorial 101. So, nandiyan yung frontal flip, side flip, and waterfalls. And then, after that, i-recap natin, i-review natin yung Volume 2 natin. Nandoon naman yung double spin, which is yung shoulder back flip with stall, and yung shadow pass, at kung ano pang mga moves na gagawin natin. So guys, I'm sure all of you are excited. Pero bago natin simulan yan, gusto ko munang pasalamatan yung aking isa sa aking mga matalik na barkada, kaibigan. So si Mr. Erwin Unigo for the t-shirt. So Flair Moves t-shirt. So EMU Enterprise, Mr. Erwin Unigo. So kudos, cheers. So guys, I'm sure all of you are excited. Simulan na natin to. Alright mga katoma, so Volume 1, Basic Flair 101, single flip. So first move is frontal flip, frontal flip. Second is side flip. Third is rainbow pass. Fourth move is throw behind the back. Pwede rin natin ang lagyan ng spin or ikot. Next move is shoulder back flip. Next move is thumb roll. Next move is waterfalls. Next move is tomahawk. Next move is boomerang. Next move is stall or balancing. Alright mga katoma, so now Volume 2 naman yung i-review natin, which is double spin or double flip. So let's start with snake arms. Snake arms. Snake arms. Next is shadow pass. Next is shoulder back flip with stall. Next is behind the back throw. Next is bottle top. Next is bottle roll. Next is reverse thumb. Next is shoulder frontal flip. Next is reverse spin and grab. Next is shoulder flip and back catch. Right, so that is our volume 2 double spin. What's up mga katoma? So now let's start to do the Flair Tutorial Volume 3. So which is yung battle and shaker shoot 10 way. So first move natin is shoulder back flip and shoot. Second is shoulder back flip shoot or shoulder back flip reverse shoot. So kanina nakaganto yung shaker, ngayon naman nakaganto. Reverse, shoulder back flip, reverse shoot. Next is third move is shoulder back flip, snatch. Snatch. So paghagis natin ng bote, shoulder back flip, i-snatch naman natin. Okay? So let's do this. Snatch. One more. So ulitin natin guys, no? Shoulder back flip, shoot. Shoulder back flip, reverse shoot, and shoulder back flip, snatch. Next move is behind the back throw and shoot. Next is behind the back snatch. Next is frontal flip and shoot. Next is frontal flip and reverse shoot. One more. Okay, next is snake arms and shoot. One more. Yun. Okay, our ninth move, tomahawk and shoot. And lastly, bump and shoot. So gagawa tayo ng, try natin 3 or hanggang 4 na bump with basket, iba't ibang variation, bump with shoot. So try natin yung shoulder back flip and shoot. Ayaw, one more. Pa. Next, forearm and shoot. Next natin is forearm ulit, frontal. Shoot. Next is, try natin to. Pa. Yun. So, yun yung different types of bump shoot and 10 way on how to shoot the battle from the shaker. So, guys, nakakapagod, no? So, hanggang dito na lang yung vlog natin and I hope, yan, practice nyo to sa bahay and later on, magiging smooth yung bawat galaw and i-connect natin yung bawat from basic, intermediate to advanced. Gagawa tayo ng mga tutorial for everyone to learn the art of flairtending. So guys, thanks for watching. Akla ka na.